I want to answer a question today that I saw on Reddit. This person has trouble maintaining friendships. They're able to initiate the friendship or start it, but over time, it seems to lose momentum, and they're worried about coming across as too needy when they reach out to them. They're wondering why these potential friends are not reaching out to them. So here's my answer for you. Because you're great at starting friendships, that's not a problem for you. What I'm going to suggest for you is going to sound a little counterintuitive. It's going to sound like, well, no, that's what I'm great at. I need help keeping it going, and I'm going to get to that. I actually would suggest starting more friendships with more people. Go out there and meet more people. Here's why, and here's how this will help you maintain the friendships and especially come across less needy. If you have maybe, let's say hypothetically, 1 to 2 people in your life right now that you're looking to connect with. Let's say on average, you meet 1 to 2 potential new friends a month, right? Well, every time you reach out to them and you try to socialize with them, what's going on is if they're the only options you have in your life for that friendship, it's impossible to not feel some kind of neediness toward them. Because if you think about it, they're the only options you have in your life. And at worst, if it's even just one person, that's really the only option you ever have at one point or one time. So what that means is every interaction you have with them, every conversation, every dialogue is going to be weighted down. There's going to be a lot of anxiety in that because if they don't respond to you, now your only shot at having a friendship is now gone. You have no other backup plans in place. It's very difficult to not come across as needy if that's your current situation. My advice for you is instead to get out and meet more people. You said yourself you have no problem starting friendships. So go start at least 3 to 4 times the current amount of friendships you have now. Put more energy into going out and meeting more people. Here's what's going to happen, because instead of connecting to just that one person or the 2 people at a time, you're now connecting with 8 or 10. And as you're looking to connect with 8 or 10 people all at once, what's going to happen is you're naturally going to find that certain people are a better fit for your personality. Because the reason you're not able to maintain that friendship or that they're not reaching out to you, it comes down to a lot of factors. It could be that they're in a time in their life where they're very busy, they got a lot going on. It could be that their personality type isn't really a fit for you. Like you guys or girls are not really destined to become friends. They might be interested in different things. Some people are really into winning and dominating and going after their goals. Some people are really into helping other people. Others are into being very creative and passionate. Others are into socializing, having fun, and other people are into thinking and being analytical. So my point is we're all into different things. Well, if you increase the number of people that you connect with, you increase the chances that you find a personality type that matches with you better so that it's easier to effortlessly maintain the connection. You won't have to put in as much work because you'll both understand each other more. They'll feel like you get me so much more in your interaction as you communicate with them. So, that's one of the things this will do. But another thing this will do as well is it'll have you substantially care less about what they say to you. If you have multiple people in your life you're looking to befriend at once or connect to at once, what happens is if any one of them don't get back to you or answer one of your messages immediately, you don't really care because you've got so many other backup options available to you. You're not going to be needed. You're not going to need immediate response from them the same way you would if there's only one person in your life at a time. So by increasing your abundance of connections you have going on all at once, you're naturally going to be a far less needy person. This is actually going to make you a more attractive person. They'll truly feel like you've got a lot going on in your life. You're busier connecting with more people. And that's a great thing you have going for you because already starting friendships is not a challenge for you at all. Just lean on your strengths here. Use that to propel you as you go forward. So that's the biggest suggestion I would make for you in this point in your life right here. And then finally as well, just in general, with maintaining any kind of friendship or connection, once you increase the quantity of people you're connecting with, the way that you keep that friendship going is by consistently adding value in their life and expecting nothing in return. And even surprising them with that value that you offer. Not doing it all the time, but just sparingly in little moments here or there. I talk about this a lot, but Try doing something really small for them that they're not expecting, and ask for nothing in return. You're not doing it from a place of trying to win over their approval or to receive something back, but it's more just you're going to surprise them with something. You're going to give them 5% more than you expected. So for example, put them in touch with another one of your friends or contacts that could benefit from. Let them borrow something small from you. Teach them something new. Point them to a new resource they haven't seen yet. Give them something small that would add value to their life. And that's a great way of maintaining the friendship. And as you're doing that, and as you're increasing the quantity of people that you're connecting with, the final point I'd like to make for you is you're going to learn a lot more. You're going to have more feedback, because in connecting with more people, you're going to start to learn very quickly what's working and what's not working in you maintaining that friendship. There might be something you're doing wrong, but the more you can try different things, try to build rapport in different ways, the faster you're going to learn that. If it's just one person at a time in your life, the feedback's going to be really slow. You're not going to learn as much as opposed to reaching out to 10, 20, 30 people at once. And through trial and error, you're going to learn a lot more about how to build that dynamic, that chemistry with other people. So to recap all this, reach out to more people, befriend more people, start more friendships. That will allow you to maintain the friendship and to keep it going because you're increasing your numbers. There's less neediness inherently in doing that. You'll learn a lot more as you go. And finally, surprise them with value. Find little things you can do to help them out in their life, and you'll be on your way. So there you go. Done.